Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are excited for Christmas. I know I am. I just figured that I'd do a vlog like getting ready for Christmas with you guys. I've got some deep cleaning I need to do before this weekend and a couple little last minute shopping trips I need to make, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. I'm just so excited. So this year I've got a boyfriend I've been seeing the last few months, but we live 3 hours apart, so it's been a little difficult. We've been doing the long distance thing. I'm sure not as long distance as some of you may be doing. So I'm just so excited. I can't wait. He's gonna be here tomorrow night for the entire weekend, and I just can't wait. So we're gonna be celebrating our Christmas together with my daughter this weekend, and then Monday's Christmas Eve, and we're gonna be going to my cousin's house and celebrating there, and my daughter's gonna open up some presents. And then obviously Tuesday morning we're gonna do Christmas here, and then we're having dinner at my best friend's house. I didn't end up having to work today, so I just did a quick makeup routine this morning. I did my hair, and I just wanted to share with you guys too, the hair products. I've been loving them lately. I got the It's a 10, the light leave-in conditioner for my hair. I love that stuff. It takes out all the tangles. It's a heat protector. Like, it's got like 10-in-1 benefits that are so good for you. That is my favorite. And then my mom was shopping for me for Christmas. I asked for a few things from Ulta, and she wanted to kind of push it over so that she got free shipping. So on a whim, she bought this Paul Mitchell Silky Serum. I love this stuff. I don't know. If you guys watched any of my other videos, like I've talked about it a few times, whenever like I blow dry my hair, it gets really voluminous and really frizzy. I'm using it every day, and I just feel like my hair is so much nicer. Like, if you guys can see, it's getting so long now, and it's just so smooth and soft. It doesn't feel like I have any products in my hair. I love that, and neither one have like a really strong off-putting smell to them, so that's great. So yeah, I plan on taking you guys with me today to do a little bit of shopping. Nothing major, I just gotta pick up a few little things, honestly. It's probably lame to take you, but I'm going to anyways, and I want to show you guys around a little bit, and yeah, just get some cleaning done. So anyways, you guys, I didn't get a lot of Christmas decorating done, but I did get the tree put up, which took a while because I had to buy a new base because mine broke this year. I do gotta get a tree skirt thing to cover up that bottom part, but I haven't gotten one yet. I don't know, I never feel the need to. But yeah, so I got that up. My man's Christmas box is down there, and my daughter made me a present. And oh my god, you guys, it is the sweetest little thing. The card, I did open it up. She's just learning how to read and write, and this is the first time she's ever made me anything like this. I think that is so sweet. Oh, it's just so adorable. I hung up a picture of me and my boyfriend, and then the 2 waterfalls he took me to. You guys, it was beautiful. I wish I would have vlogged it. Maybe this next summer I'll do a vlog and go back there again or something. I did Baby It's Cold Outside for my cute little sign and put up my tree. And then I decided to surprise him by getting him his own special stocking. And then I got my daughter a new one, and I got myself a matching one. And then this is the cutest thing ever. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know I love to go fishing, and these are little fishing Santas. They have little fishing poles. How cute is that? And then I got my daughter the cute little playful snowmen because she just absolutely loves it. And then I didn't really do anything to decorate the couch. I didn't buy decorative pillows this year for Christmas like I did for fall. I really should have. But I spent a bunch of money at Victoria's Secret, and they were giving out this free blanket. I love it, you guys. It's seriously my favorite blanket I've owned. It is the softest thing ever. And yes, Bailey's being all cute, laying there. Hi, princess. She's tired. So yeah, it's so soft and so warm, but I put it on the back of the couch right now. And I don't know if you guys saw this before. You probably didn't. This is a new frame that I hung above the couch. I don't think I had it up last time when I did a vlog, but I put all my favorite pictures from like over the summer and stuff, like fun things that we went out and did with our friends. I just have a lot more presents to wrap this year than normal because a bunch of my relatives kept saying, oh, well, hey, do you mind if we just ship you stuff and you can wrap them? And I was like, yeah, of course, no problem. I usually like to wrap Christmas Eve. Yeah, that's not happening this year. I've got to get on it ahead of time, so I'm going to try to get some of that done today as well. But I didn't realize how much all of it was going to build up between my presents and theirs. It should have occurred to me. So I'm going to get cleaning, and then I'm going to go for a drive and go shopping and go get some stamps and mail out some of our Christmas cards. I'll see you guys in a little bit. guys, so I'm back from running all my errands and shopping. It was a lot harder to film than I thought it was going to be just because it's the holiday season. The stores were packed, but I had to go and pick up some wrapping paper. I grabbed a card from my dad for Christmas, and I actually went and gave it to him today. He really loved it. It was so cute. So I picked up that stuff, and then I had to run to the post office and get stamps and mail out cards for other family members. And then I also went to Michael's and got a new planner, which I'm super excited about. Goals and keeping to-do lists and stuff like that. I just love keeping track of things. And I hold on to my planners like every year, like a memory scrapbook type thing. I don't know. I just like it. I mark up things in it all year long. And I don't know. I found this planner and it's so cool. It's happy memory keeping. I guess they have a YouTube channel and an Instagram and a Facebook, and it's called like the Happy Planner channel. I'll show you guys the paper that I'm looking at here. So apparently that's all their like Instagram handles and all that stuff, but it's called the Happy Planner, and I found the coolest planner because it's like a mix between like a scrapbook and a planner. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Stuff, first of all, I mean, look at that. That's so like me. I love it. This is like my favorite color, blue. It says everyone has a story to record, which, hello, cute because of my videos and stuff. But it's so pretty. It comes with some of these little sticker tabs too. When you like first open up certain sections, like they have a quote, big quote page kind of like this. And then when you turn it here, it has the monthly calendar, and then it's got the weeks, and you can like add little pictures here and then like little notes and do your whole daily stuff there. And then at the end of each month, it's really cool. They've got monthly milestones, what you're grateful for. You can put like a picture or doodle something here and like what you celebrated throughout the month and one word to describe the month. I thought that was so cute. And then I was really excited because at the end, it's really cool. Like it gets more into the scrapbooking aspect. Like some of your favorite days you can post pictures and write little things about and the day that it happened. I absolutely love that. They make it so easy. And then on the back, they've got more stuff like that. And they've got things for like what you're grateful for. I love making grateful lists. And then autumn memories and summer fun. Like, how cute is this? I'm going to have so much fun playing around with this throughout the year, and I feel like it's just going to be a really cool thing to hang on to and just like look back on my memories for the year. Like, I think that's so cool. It's really cute too. Look at the binding. It has little hearts throughout the binder. Like, I'm really excited about this. I know this vlog was so random. You know, I was doing YouTube for a year, and then I just really needed a break. There were things going on in my life and with myself that I wanted to work on, and I didn't want to do that on camera, and I just wanted to focus on my life and not worry about filming all the time, and I just needed a break. And now that I've taken it, I just like really missed filming. I was thinking about it the other day. I have barely even been watching YouTube videos since I started taking my break, honestly, and I just missed it all, and I just really wanted to pick up the camera and film today. I missed it. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you all have a Merry Christmas, you know, enjoy time with your family and your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.